Erica Rains. I'm the eye of the Chef and I, and tonight we're at an amazing new venue. It's in East Nashville, and it's just beautiful, and it's called East Ivy Mansion. And tonight what we're doing is providing the food and also a culinary challenge for all of the guests tonight. We are one of the preferred caterers here at East Ivy, and we're like that on many venues. We're on the list of many venues, and we are preferred caterers for many different people in Middle Tennessee. And then we're passing foods such as smoked salmon with goat cheese and homemade pistachio pesto, and vegetarian items like butternut squash and candied pecans with a balsamic glaze on a handmade wonton, and just some really yummy things.